Hi guys, this is your Shravani Suchan, professional digital marketer. Today I'm back with one more interesting and important topic which makes your Facebook ads more effective. Looking for what it is? Yes, I don't want to let you wait more. So it is none other than the custom conversions. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to create custom conversions. Have you heard about it? If yes or no, not an issue. I'm going to explain you how custom conversions will benefit you. So custom conversions, once you set up custom conversions, Facebook will track your actions, track your particular events of your web visitors, and optimize your ads to the best performing actions, best performing events. So you are able to create custom conversions once and only if you have already set up Facebook pixel on your web page. I have already made a video on how to create and install Facebook pixel. Okay, you can go and check with it. So once the custom conversion is done, so Facebook will optimize your ads based on the best performing action. Here conversion does not maybe a product purchase or service collaboration. It does not always mean the same. If you are looking for lead generation, so once the lead form gets submitted and the lead lands on the thank you page, it is counted as one lead. Otherwise, if you are looking for the engagements, those who has clicked on the follow button of your Facebook page, then it is counted as one conversion. So the meaning of conversion and the leads differs from situation to situation based on your targets. So without wasting time, let's start how to create custom conversions. The process is again very simple. You just start the process with signing on to the Facebook Ads Manager. Okay, Facebook Ads Manager, and go to Business Tools, click on Events Manager. Okay, so once you have installed the Facebook pixel, it will give you the information regarding the overall page views happened on the website. But you are not satisfied with that result. You want to go little bit more. Okay, you want to optimize more specifically targeted. So you can create the standard events. Standard events, we are not talking about the standard events here. In this video, we are going to talk completely about the custom conversions. Okay, just click on the button in the left hand side of the page, custom conversions. I have already set up a lot of events. So unless the action happened regarding the particular event created, it is shown as inactive. Once the action happened after the custom conversion gets created, it will show the status as active. So let's start with the process. Just click on create custom conversion. So here you can target your all URL traffic. That means all the URL. URL means here you can target your Facebook visitors. Otherwise, you can target your website visitors. If you want to target your specific URL traffic, you can go with URLs. Otherwise, you can target a specific standard event. That means you can create the custom conversion for the specific standard events which you have already created, which you have already set up on your web page. So first of all, we can see with the URL traffic. Okay, URL traffic for the particular website URL. I am going to check the search action. That means who have performed the search action on my specific page of a website. Contains means if you have entered one URL. Contains means if that any part of the URL, if the visitor and lands on any part of the URL, it will considered as a conversion. Otherwise, if you does not contain means it will track all the pages which does not contain the part of the URL or the entire URL. Equals means it will track exactly that particular URL. So contains, I am clicking on the contain first. So here I am targeting the visitors who have performed the search drop down, who have clicked on the search drop down on my web pages, which contains a part of SEO, otherwise home page, otherwise other pages, which contains this URL. Okay, that might be another service page, that might be an search engine page, web design and development page, anything that might be a home page and other service page. So where the visitor has performed this search action, we can create. And remember that you cannot create more than 20 custom conversions per one ad account. So it's done. So it is showing inactive as I showed you, because once the particular action has happened, then only it comes to state inactive. And I'm going to create another custom conversions, okay, with a particular standard event I have created, lead. Who has submitted details. Here I am using this equals. So those, that means who have submitted the details on the contact page, sign up page, okay, sign up form, who have submitted the details on the sign up form, especially on my home page. So I would like to optimize my Facebook ad to target the leads who have submitted the details of sign up form on my home page itself. So this is one create. It is showing error because I have already created the same custom conversion. So you are not able to create the repeated actions itself. You can create another one also. So it has created. Why? Because I have already created in the earlier case. What it has happened? Why? Because it has shown error, because I have already created the same custom conversion. You cannot create the duplicate conversions itself. Okay, and you can, here the rules, see, you have to fill the name, and you have to you are able to focus the web page upon which you have created installed the Facebook pixel. And coming to the conversion event, whether you would like to create the custom conversion for the entire web page, your web page traffic, otherwise a specific event, standard event which you have already created, and the rules must be satisfied, that is contains, equals, doesn't contains. And if you would like to target multiple web pages, if you would like to create multiple reels in your web page uh, to make the optimization more effective, you can do it. I'm going to show you. See, here I am creating double page. That means who have watched the posts of my Facebook page, who have visited. I'm going to explain you. Just give me a moment. So here I am going to create a custom conversion for those, to target those people who have watched my Facebook post. That means who have watched my Facebook post through Facebook page itself. So that means they should be on the page of homepage of my Facebook business page, and they have watched the Facebook post. I mean that if and only if the visitor satisfies these two conditions only, then Facebook will track it as conversion create. So we can create the custom conversion based on URL traffic based on standard event, based on rules also. Okay, based on rules. If you would like to target a part of the URL, you can use contains, and if you would like to target the exact URL, you can use equal. If you would like to target doesn't contains means negative. If you would like to narrow down your objectives, and if you would like to be more focused, you can use the custom conversion. So this is how we can create custom conversion, and the status will turn as active once the action will take place after the custom conversion has created. So with this, we are concluding this topic. For any doubts and queries regarding custom conversions, you can direct message me on my Instagram, digital at the rate underscore Shravani, at the rate of digital underscore Shravani. Thank you.